Rescued or guided? What really helps? Hey Lions, there is a difference between being helped and being held back. A lot of us were taught that love means someone else swoops in and fixes it for us. That can feel warm in the moment and heavy later. Are you stuck? Working hard but still broke and confused? Trying to feel confident but caught in FOMO and scroll mode? We were all told the American dream looked like this: go to college, get a job, buy a house, retire comfortably. That used to work. Now it leads to student debt, dead-end jobs, financial stress, and 60% of Gen Z feel lost about their future. We need a different plan. One that actually leads to freedom, clarity, and purpose. Meet Stuck. He looks like reality, but he's the voice that keeps you small, safe, and stuck. Stuck says, what if I fail? LionUP says, what if I succeed? But here's the truth. Stuck lies. Every time you choose to lion up instead of listening to Stuck, you take one step closer to your goal zone. Stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Here, we lion up, one tiny win at a time. We move from bronze to silver to the gold zone. We build self-mastery, career clarity, and money confidence to live independently. You have one life. Live it on your terms, not anyone else's. Let's begin. I'm Yakira Didia, your independence guide, the creator of LionUp and the Gold Zone Cycle. Want to escape stuck? Subscribe, follow, share this with a friend, and grab the independence quiz in the description. There are two kinds of help. Rescue mode. Someone takes the wheel out of your hand. I've got it. Sounds loving, but it steals practice. You learn, I can't. Someone else must, right? Or there's the guide mode. Someone shines a light so you can drive. You set the bar where you can reach it. Stand close and say, I see you. Try this next. Think about a time someone took over for you. Maybe a parent replied to a teacher to keep things smooth, or a friend made a call you were afraid to make. The problem got handled, but something small inside you got quieter too. The message? You're not ready. The result? Grows, slows down. The feeling? I'm a failure. What rescue looks like. In families, rescue can feel like care, but sends a different message underneath. I'll email them for you, taking over communication that you could handle. I'll call the landlord, managing your adult responsibilities. I'll handle your schedule, controlling your time and decisions. Guide energy is love with light. Guide mode sound different. You still get support. You also get your power back. The message becomes, you can. I'm with you. Want to sit together while you write? Let's list the first step and I'll be nearby. Show me your next tiny step. I'll be close. Rescue. They take over. You shrink. Guide. They shine light. You move. Setting boundaries with rescue. If you're the one being rescued a lot, here's a gentle line you can practice. It's not a fight. It's a boundary. Say, I've got it. A little space helps me try. This simple phrase protects your independence while acknowledging the care behind the offer to help. A real story from rescue to guide. S had a problem. She had a parent who answered every adult email. S felt safe and small at the same time. The switch? We switched to guide mode. Parent sat nearby quietly. S typed the email. The growth? It was short and messy. It was also hers. The reply came. S handled the next one alone. See? You need to take the action if you want to grow. Your action steps. We're not cutting people out. We're changing the kind of help we say yes to, the kind that sends you forward. If being rescued, try the line, I've got it. A little space helps me try. If rescuing others, try the question, show me your next tiny step. I'll be close. Ask for light, not control. That's independence. Hand on the wheel, light on the path. It might feel slow at first. It's not. It's how confidence grows, by doing the thing yourself with light, not a leash. Under the skin, we're all lions. When a young lion leaves the pride, it's not because it's ready to do everything. It's because it's ready to learn. I'm Yakira Didia, your independence guide. Remember, stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Be kind, be brave, lion up.
Are you stuck?
Come on!